Howdy! We recently moved into this house, and one of the first things I noticed about the garage was the lighting. It had old fluorescent fixtures that were constantly flickering, and in the winter, sometimes they wouldn't even turn on. So I decided to upgrade the space with some commercial style LED high bay lights to see if they could completely transform the garage lighting. Today I'll show you the install, the before and after difference, and whether these are actually worth it for a home garage. The garage originally had a couple fluorescent light fixtures that were probably installed when the house was built. If you've ever dealt with these, you know the problem. They flicker, they take a while to warm up, and when it's cold, they sometimes just refuse to turn on. Between that and the limited coverage, the garage just never felt very well lit. CLLIGHTING sent me their 200 watt LED high bay lights to test out in the garage. These are the kind of lights you usually see in warehouses or workshops. Each one has adjustable panels designed to spread the light across a wide area. Another thing I like about these is their plug-in lights, so you don't have to hardwire these into your electrical system. Originally, I had planned to install 4 of these, but once I started laying things out, I realized the garage door tracks would actually block part of the light spread. So I installed 2 lights spaced across the ceiling to give the best coverage without interference from the garage door hardware. Installation itself was pretty simple. Mount the lights, plug them in, and position the panels to spread the light across the garage. The difference compared to the old fluorescent lights is huge. First, there's no flickering and warm-up time. They turn on instantly. But the bigger improvement is just how much brighter and more evenly the garage is lit. Before, there were dark areas all over the garage, especially near my storage area, tool area. With these lights, the whole space feels much brighter and easier to work in. Overall, upgrading from the old fluorescent lighting to these LED bay lights made a huge difference in the garage. The install was simple, the lights are extremely bright, and it completely eliminated the flickering and warm-up issues we had before. If you're dealing with old fluorescent lights in your garage, upgrading to something like this can really transform your space. I'll put a link to the lights down in the description if you want to check them out. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.